Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. It's your girl Marcy once more. Today I'm making a true Caribbean classic, Jamaican Soursop Juice. For those who don't know what soursop is, it's green and prickly on the outside, but inside is white and very fleshy and very juicy. And Jamaicans have been enjoying soursop for generations. It's not just a fruit, but also a part of our traditional remedies. Don't tell anybody. You can also use the leaf to make tea, and it helps with relaxation, sleep, and digestion. And it also helps with the big C, but we can't really talk about that on the internet. All right, so I brought this from Jamaica. It's already peeled and it was on the freezer, so I'm just removing the seeds, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my blender along with some water to extract that rich creaminess from the fruit. And I know we're gonna have a debate in the comment section about this, but for the milk version, we'll mix in condensed milk or a splash of vanilla and sprinkle a little nutmeg and cinnamon, and it is just thick, sweet, and silky smooth. But my favorite version is with lime. Okay, hold up. You may think soursop is better with milk and spices, but wait until you try it with lime. If you have never tried it with the lime before, try that version. It is so bright and refreshing, and it brings out the fruit's natural tropical flavor. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried both of them, which one you prefer. And if you have never tried the lime, please go ahead, try it, and come back and let me know in the comment section. All right, after blending, some people will go ahead and strain it. I don't strain it, I just pour it out. I add a little sugar for sweetness because of the way that I blend it. But guess what? Back in the days when I didn't have any blender, I used to just go ahead, pour the water in the bowl along with the fruit, and use my hand to squish it together to extract that rich creaminess from it. And then I'll go ahead and add whichever version I'm making, whether it's the lime version or the milky version. I'll just go ahead, add in my condensed milk. If you want to spice things up a little, you can add some stout in it as well, but I prefer the natural flavor by using the lime, just the lime and just a little hint of sugar to add a little sweetness, because I know soursop kind of have like a tangy flavor. But guess what? My favorite way is to pick it from the tree, well ripe, peel it and eat it just like that. Just the way that I would normally eat sweet sop. I love to eat the soursop, especially if it's really sweet. So you're missing out if you have never tried it that way. All right, and don't forget that soursop is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant. It has lots of natural compound that is believed to help boost the immune system or reduce inflammation, and it promotes relaxation as well. So this is a good thing to have in your life. It's a good treat to have in your backyard or your front yard, wherever. Just, go ahead. If you're in the island, go ahead and get you a soursop tree, plant it in your yard. So now that it's finished, I am gonna go ahead and I'm going to have mine on the rocks. Yes, you can just chill it just as is and pour it in your glass and drink it, but I'm having some right now on the rocks. And I've given you two different versions, so they're both full of island goodness. So go ahead, either you like it creamy or citrusy, you just can't go wrong with soursop. This is a juice that we'll normally have on Sundays. It's a tradition, trust me, all over the island. So are you team milk or team lime? Let me know in the comment section. Also, my granddaughter is here and she have never had soursop before, so I am going to let her taste it. Why not? It's time to enjoy. Beautiful, delicious tropical drink. Guys, I always tell people that this is my favorite way of drinking soursop juice, and they think I'm crazy. Like, you may think that this is better with milk and spices. The lime version, it's bright, it's refreshing, and it gives you more of that tropical taste. Trust me, if you have never had soursop juice with lime, the lime way, go ahead and give it a try and come back and let me know in the comment section. Trelawney is going to try soursop juice for the first time, right? Yeah, tell them hi. All right, come. Mmm. Girl, why are you doing your face like that? You don't like it? Come on, try it, man. Come again. Good for your heart. Hey, girl, let's show me juice. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Saf, I love you. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah. Go on. I trust that you found this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and also stay tuned for my roast chicken video.